In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange appointment types on Booksy. So let's dive right in and get started on making sure your services appear just how you want them for your clients. First things first, you need to navigate to the Booksy business website. Hop onto your favorite web browser and type in the URL to access the site. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see the login option. It's important to ensure you're logged in to proceed with any changes to your settings, so go ahead and click on that login button. After successfully logging in, look for the business settings icon. Generally, this may appear as a gear icon, which is a universal symbol for settings. Click on this icon to move forward into the heart of your business configuration. Once you're in the business settings, you'll need to find the services setup section. This area is crucial, as it's where all your listed services and combos are housed. You should spot it fairly easily as it's prominently labeled. Click on Services Setup and you're now at the location where the magic happens. Now, as you're within the Services Setup, keep an eye out for the Services and Combo Services option. This is the hub for managing the order and arrangement of all the individual services you offer. Give it a click to open up the list of services you currently have. In the list of services, you might see categories such as Not Categorized. There is often a sort of collapse icon, a little symbol that looks like a series of horizontal lines next to each service. This is your drag and drop handle. You'll use this handle to reorder your services. Click on it to modify the order of your services and start dragging the services up or down the list as you see fit until they're in your desired sequence. Alternatively, there might be arrow buttons that you can click to adjust positions if that feels more manageable. After arranging your services, consider adjusting categories if they're not logically grouped or if changes need to be made. It's a great idea to take a look at how your services are organized to ensure they make the best sense for your business flow. To verify these changes, navigate to your profile. You'll notice an eye icon, typically a symbol used for previewing. Click on this eye icon to preview how your clients will view your services. This is an essential step to make sure that everything appears exactly as you intended. Finally, take a moment to review your services in the client view. Glide through the list and check that your services and appointment types now appear in the new order you've created. This confirmation step provides peace of mind that your clients will see your offerings precisely as planned. And there you have it, a perfectly arranged list of services in Booksy, ready for your clients' booking needs.